Welcome back, everybody, to more Super Metroid. In the last episode, the last Metroid is no longer in captivity.
True, and also real.
The voice actor dude is gonna have to find some new lines because we're back on Planet Zebes. We need to go find the baby.
Samus is too busy dancing.
She's got the shmoove shmoney. But yes, I think this elevator takes us out of Kratia. We're already headed somewhere new.
Brinstar, right? If I read the map correctly.
I think so.
I was not
the same Brinstar though as it used to be.
I was not expecting a tropical vibe song for Brinstar. Oh, the crabs!
In the original, it was yellow, fiery place like you've seen in Smash Bros, but it kind of dried up over the years.
It looks more lively. It's green. It's got vines and thorns and stuff.
Because I know it's been some time since the first Metroid game, so I guess things have changed on the planet. Yeah, Brinstar's kind of popping now.
Okay.
The tunes, too.
Bro, this is like a Zelda 2 freaking corridor.
Watch out, there's a crazy dude in there.
Wait, am I able to bomb that?
They'll never soft lock you, I promise.
Okay. Whoa!
At least I'm pretty sure.
A secret. Oh, Mr. Pratt.
Money, money.
Another one of
Nice.
these.
Slurp.
This is Brinstar. You know, it's like...
Oh, and you can see all the upgrades you're gonna get.
Yeah, and then I can press R again and nothing will happen.
I love that feature.
Thank you, game.
You know what? Clap it up.
They look the exact same. There's no way to tell.
Brinstar's pretty fun. We'll get some more spicy enemies. We'll see some different things here. I'm just excited for all the upgrades.
Yeah.
You can get the upgrades in different orders too, I know. I think some of them you have to get to progress, like you can't move forward without seeing, but
Like the missiles, for example.
yeah. I know I've seen some people get really creative and go to places they shouldn't for a challenge. I know you can challenge yourself by not getting certain things.
There's a save point here, so I'm definitely going to make use of that.
Very handy. Let's keep on schmoozing. That's a speedy Bernard.
Yeah. Oh, I don't have enough missiles. Dang it.
Oh, you just need one.
This guy will drop some for me. Never mind.
He's like, nah, not today.
Energy, that's nice, but... Thank you, he did.
There's like dedicated farm spots in this game that you'll see eventually that are very nice. Resource refill.
Yep, which I'm sure
Is
I
this
will.
the room? I think is yeah, this room. One of the farms is right there.
Missile. It's good, I like it. If it's gonna interrupt this all the time, I guess I'm glad it's that theme.
Yeah, they're lucky it's a good theme. Look at these losers.
What a nerd. He's like jumping and stuff, and I'm like...
You're like, nah.
I see. Wait, what? That's wild. I can't go there.
You gotta be extra fast if you want to be able to get through before the things come down.
Oh. What?
Hello there.
Stop it.
You just wanted to say hello.
I spooked the crap out of me. Okay, so we've got the spots there. Let's see. Meridia.
Meridia.
There's a
Music there was very chill.
There's a lot to explore here. I want to go down and go to that item space. It's probably got a hefty upgrade. I just went back to the safe spot.
No, that's just part of your master plan.
Yes. Just wanted to say hi.
Yeah, we can start this way since there's a dead end.
goodness.
Ooh, that's even dark. Ooh, that's even dark.
Oh, I see.
Ooh, it's even dark.
I only learned oh so late. But thankfully it doesn't seem like a pink missile. A red rocket.
Oh no. That is an ammo reload station.
Cool. Oh,
You'll see those throughout the game. Full reload on all your ammo.
Did it refill my... Did it increase my capacity?
It did not.
Oh, I guess it stops giving you some after you hit 10 then. Because I never had more than 10 at a time.
I think in that room where you got jump scared by the beetle, I think I picked up another.
Oh.
That's why you have
That's okay.
I just like to have it to see.
Even if it takes us 40 episodes, I will
Oh yeah.
try to do this.
I'm not gonna beat Omega Handle, dude. Don't you worry.
I'm just wondering when my first death will be. I hope it's not anytime soon. Although, if I keep running into these guys, it might happen.
Yeah, I don't know what's gonna give you, because every time I see people play this game, it's a different monster that annoys people.
Right now, it's those, what is it called? Parabola monsters.
Yeah. That looks a little sussy, doesn't it?
Left.
When you blow stuff up with bombs or missiles, you might see icons, and that indicates you need something related to that icon to get through that.
Oh, I see. Oh, I could just spam them, dude? What the heck?
You might see that when you missile certain walls too. You might see the gray icon pop up, and it'll give you a hint that you need something else.
Okay. Well, this is a big room.
Destroy that thing.
Oh, I remember. Don't kill me.
More jump scare beetles.
I know, the worst ones. Five Nights at Freddy's.
Jack Black. I saw this video. It felt like a fever dream, dude. Like Jack Black got like his 5-year-old kid to play FNAF 4 Markiplier.
Oh gosh.
I'm like, that seems a little young.
Yeah. Especially for that one. That's like the creepiest.
4 is like the scariest one.
For a young kid, that's totally the scariest one.
I recently watched videos of it again. I was like, Jesus Christ, because you have to rely on audio,
Yeah.
which is horrifying.
So it psychs you out because you're already raising the volume to hear stuff. Idiot.
Yeah.
And then,
He just ended his whole career.
yeah, he was trying to end mine. Whoa.
Ooh, I hate these guys. Yeah, but then
They're paratroopers. Ooh, yeah, they do their fair share of damage, too. I'm gonna missile this guy. No, I missed him. I think that was my
this one
control.
just kept on going.
I'm kind of spooked.
I see the same in rooms where I like walk slowly.
This is a
Oh,
trap.
you killed everything in the room, so that's why the door is glowing.
Oh, so there's some rooms where it's like kill all the enemies, nerd.
Yeah, only some. Oh, this. I think you just walked into a boss room.
Oh gosh.
I don't know if I think you can do this. I think you can. Yeah, it's possible. Good luck. This is Spore Spawn. We walked right into trouble.
I can see why his name is Spore Spawn.
Thankfully, as you already saw, the spore can help you regain crap. Not my mouth.
Oh, I can do this. This is a good strategy.
Oh, nice. I was not that smart when I played this fight.
Bullet hell.
I just kept farming the little spores.
Because I think you can only damage him one missile at a time, so I think this is just the best way to do it. and then just dodge with my Toho experience.
Oh yeah, Luke is a fan of Toho viewers.
Oh, you nerd.
I think you could jump a little higher.
Yeah, if I go on the left, I probably could.
Yeah, he's also stopping at awkward points. I know, like, if you're moving and doing it, you do, like, a spin. Yeah, just like that. Well, the morph ball strat is working. I need to stop predicting things.
Oh, gosh.
He's changing color, though, so you're doing something.
True, he's getting darker. What?
It's like, that really hurts, but I haven't learned from my mistakes.
Yeah. Good old video game logic.
It feels like it'll take an eternity, but I promise not every fight is like this.
Yeah, I'm sure, because I only get one chance to attack him every now and then.
There's a lot more action-packed in this game than Spore Spawn.
Oh gosh. He's
Whoa,
going
he's crazy.
He's going sicko mode.
I can't remember if I was able to shoot him more than once.
I don't think you can, because it looks
I'd
like...
like to rapid-fire my missiles, but I don't know.
Die,
It
please?
seems like one. Can you chill, sir?
Right?
We're trying to run a show here. I gotta remember to tap my controller, dude, because my screen will get dark. You might see my hand out again. You can do it!
I think one more hit probably, and he's dead zoned.
He's gotta be dead soon.
Right.
You've already figured out all his tricks and traps.
Don't tell me there's a phase 2. Another
He's just
hit.
crazy.
He does vibe though.
I could say with confidence now that I'm seeing this game again, this is probably the worst boss in the game, which means it only goes up from
That's
here.
good.
This is easily the worst.
I killed him. Good.
Let's go.
You
Goodbye, Spores.
killed me. Good. Oh yeah, you just stand on him now because he's dead zoned. Good.
I'm finished. Well, that guy got roasted and toasted.
Is that like the big bad of Brinstar?
I think so.
It's a warp pipe.
Whee!
Mario Zone.
Oh!
The super missile. Ooh.
Even juicier.
Please tell me I don't have to fight.
These do about 3 times the damage.
Oh gosh. No, I just wasted a
normal
missile.
Which is why you only have 5 super missiles, and super missile tanks are harder to find.
Yeah, that's fine.
Wow. Very good. These guys have been your worst nightmare.
Yeah. I'm guessing.
Green door.
Oh,
There you go.
Crab's Grave.
Now you've got green doors. It only takes 1 super, thankfully.
It was tactical. I wanted 69 energy.
It was all part of your master plan, like I said.
I see. That was a waste of super missile, dude.
Oh no.
That's cool. I like that. It's like you can't tell outside of it. Wow.
Whoa, he's hyper!
I'm looking at the map. Sorry.
Yeah, no worries.
So there's a room above me, above us.
I wasn't ready for that.
And then there's stuff down there too. I will probably be using the map a lot, by the way. Just get ready for that. Die.
Oh no, by all means. That's how you get around this game. That's why I'm so excited for you to play. If you like this enough, you can go get Dread. Dread is much faster paced.
Do I risk it for the biscuit? I don't think I should.
The pee-pee door?
Do you need a toilet for it?
The toilet. There's a stupid commercial that makes me laugh. This narrator's like, the toilet. And I can't stop saying it like
Gen Z humor.
That's what I mean, like, it's not even funny. But when I hear someone say the toilet, I have to be like, the toilet. And then I just start laughing. It's always like stuff that's not funny, that's funny. AV just doesn't understand.
I wonder. There's gotta be a way up there, right? Can you, like... No, because if you jump like this, then... Even if I get a bomb jump, that's not enough to move me up there.
Yeah, bomb jumping is a popular strat. It's not meant to be used in the game much at all, really. But, like, some people can chain them like a maniac.
Yeah.
I was able to do it once
That's
for a
what I thought.
different power, but it's never necessary to chain that high.
I guess we just explore down, and we'll have to go to this area later.
More squares, you can see where stuff is at.
There's a refill tank.
Now you have 20 missiles.
Oh, every time I grab that, it increases my capacity. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I was like, why does it play the jingle every time? I understand now. Back. Ooh.
Yeah, I was wondering if you were gonna fight the boss or get this first.
That probably helps for the boss, if I had to guess. Charge beam?
The charge beam is pretty good as a missile substitute for some enemies.
I see.
It doesn't open the doors, but the charge beam can be helpful for fighting when you're low on ammo.
For damaging purposes.
Yeah. But I mean, you had enough missiles and you kept spawning shit to help you. At least you got a juicy upgrade.
I'm not messing this up, am I? Oh, there we go. Okay.
I took way too long to realize you were supposed to bomb to get over it. I felt so dumb after.
Well, I'm glad I didn't take that long, because that sounds like something I would do. Whoa. A reflection.
I'm gonna keep repeating myself, but like, we weren't even born back then, but I feel like I can see why people were so amazed back then.
Oh, absolutely. This game is very fun from what I've already played.
The graphics are cool, the music's fun.
Just keeps you in the action. And then you
Those guys.
run into the leaping Larrys and they ruin your day.
It's always the Larrys. I do that. Sometimes I just keep taking chip damage and I don't realize how much I've taken.
It's not even trying to. But that's what you did.
Leaping Larrys. You got right in their party.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, it's gonna blow up.
So many
that's
different enemies already.
kind of tricky. I don't know if this is a good idea or not. That scared me. Sorry, Mr. Crab.
Luke boy me Bob.
Yeah, I'm gonna just eat those, because probably shouldn't, but I don't know.
Can you solve the mystery?
That's when you pop the bomb or roll. It's like I don't want to get.
Probably not that.
I don't want to get hit. Oh. Sometimes I forget the
There
B
you
button
go.
exists. Okay.
Oh, don't you worry. I mean, I already told you about my brain fart earlier with the little crevice.
Yeah.
It happens.
Red.
Ooh. We're already switching it up.
Yes. Oh no, I'm so scared. I know these pipes are gonna friggin' shoot out enemies.
Yeah. You got that right.
I
Another pee-pee door. Whoa, look out!
Help me!
Oh god, he's crazed.
What do I do? I'm gonna die!
He sucked up a lot of health.
Yeah.
I hate those things. I know, and then you get in a frenzy and like start blowing off all the missiles. It happens.
It's okay. I'm not dead yet.
You don't want to lose to a hugging Hernandez.
Exactly.
If you die to a boss, that's way more honorable.
I died at these guys. That's dumb.
There you go.
I just need help. I'm sorry.
The way they keep coming out makes me laugh.
I don't want to die, dude.
Hey there. Ugh.
It also lets me vent out my frustration on them for damaging me.
That's a mood. Apparently saying that's a mood is very 2016 and I'm not listening, sorry. I still say it.
Oh, I say it too.
Get that refill. That's what they're there for.
I just say mood, though.
There's no shame in refilling health. Everybody has to stop at one point. Juice up. You're like, that's enough health.
Yeah. Hmm. Okay, I cannot be here yet.
Another icon. You know what, Luke? We'll park you right there.
Yeah.
We reached the end of another episode. We got through a good chunk of Brinstar and defeated a boss.
Mm-hmm. I'm looking
Not
forward
bad
to
at
what
all.
the game has to offer next.
We'll see you guys back here for another one where we go deeper.
Mm-hmm.